सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स, डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द नियर फ्यूचर। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं इन केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल रिगार्डिंग टू योर वन एंड ओनली योर मिस्ट्री, दैट इज द केमिस्ट्री। एज पर रूल्स केमिस्ट्री ने थोड़ा सा होच पोच करना स्टार्ट कर दिया होगा आप लोगों को, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ आपके स्कूल वगैरह में, आसपास इंस्टीट्यूट में भी जहां भी आप अपना एफर्ट्स लगा रहे हैं वहां ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री और केमिस्ट्री फिजिकल और इनऑर्गेनिक मैशअप होना स्टार्ट हो गए। बट डोंट गेट पैनिक होने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप वीडियोस को जो कि मैंने पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक वाइज डाली है अच्छे से देखें, अपनी प्रॉब्लम को थ्रू द व्हाट्सएप आप मुझसे शेयर करें। पर्टिकुलर ऐसी सीक्वेंस में बात करूं तो हम कंसंट्रेशन यूनिट्स के रिगार्डिंग 10 न्यूमेरिकल्स को डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। इसी सीक्वेंस में मैं आज बात करने जा रहा हूं 11th न्यूमेरिकल्स की। पर्टिकुलर 11th न्यूमेरिकल आपके पास में आता है पर्टिकुलर इन अ मिक्सचर। यह है 11th क्वेश्चन। In a mixture, just moles of A given आपके पास में is 0.5 and moles of B is you can say 0.2. Calculate mole fraction of A and B. पर्टिकुलर आप लोग जानते हैं मोल फ्रैक्शन को फाइंड आउट कैसे करना है। गिवन मोल्स मींस मोल्स ऑफ पर्टिकुलर कंपोनेंट अपॉन टोटल मोल्स। सो यहां डिस्कस करें तो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन। मोल्स ऑफ ए निकालना है, सो एक्स ऑफ ए फाइंड आउट करना है। सो मोल्स ऑफ ए इज योर 0.5 upon moles of A plus moles of B 0.2. This is the 0.5 and this is the 0.7. Point से point को remove किया, so it will be 5/7 as a mole fraction of A. इसी सीक्वेंस में XB के लिए फाइंड आउट करें 0.2 upon this is the 0.5 plus 0.2 again. So this is the 0.2 upon 0.7. This is the 2/7. This was about the question as a mole fraction of A and B, 5/7 and 2/7. Next question number 12 is your, what is that? This is the 36 gram water. 36 gram water. Just 46 gram ethyl alcohol, 46 gram ethyl alcohol, or you can say ethanol, and 32 gram, this is the 32 gram methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol are present in a mixture. Calculate mole fraction of just your each component. This is the each component. This is the very good question. First of all, we'll go with the molar mass. So because of we have to find the moles. So first is your, this is the 36 gram water. This is your solution. Water is your, you can say 16 gram mole or 16 unit as a molar mass of H2O, and 46 gram, just you have to go with the ethanol, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is your C2H5OH. This will be 12 to the 24, 630, and this will be your 46 unit. Now the time to discuss about the another component, that is the methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is CH3OH. 12 and 4, 16 to the 32 as a unit. Now it's very easy to calculate about the just moles. So if we'll go with the moles of H2O, N of H2O, given mass 36 gram water. Here's the molar mass of H2O is your, you can say 16. So this is the 32 gram upon 16. Here will be 2 moles for the H2O. Moles of, you can say, moles of, now the time to discuss about the C2H5OH ethanol. So moles of ethanol is your amount is given 46 gram. Here is the 46. So given mass is your 46 gram and molar mass is your 46. So here will be 1 mole. This is the 2 mole. If we'll go with the further, then that is the methyl alcohol, you can say. So methyl alcohol N of CH3OH. This is the given mass is your 32 gram and molar mass is also 32 unit. So this is the 32 gram upon 32 unit. It will be 1 mole. Regarding to this, now the time to discuss about the mole fraction of H2O. So X of H2O is equals to moles of H2O. This is the N of H2O upon N of H2O plus N of C2H5OH plus N of, you can say, CH3OH. These are the moles. So and H2O is your 2. This is 2 plus 1 plus 1. So this is the 2 by 4. This is your, you can say 2 to the 4, 1 by 2, or you can say 0.5 as a mole fraction of H2O for water. Next is your mole fraction of C2H5OH. C2H5OH. Moles is your 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1, 1 by 4. This is the 0.25 for the C2H5OH. And now I would like to go with the just X of CH3OH methanol. This is your again 1 mole. Total moles 2 plus 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is your again 1 by 4. That is your 0.25. And total sum should be just 1. So here is the 1, 0.5, 0.25, 0.25 is equals to 1. So this was about the 2 questions regarding to your concentration unit. Now the time to discuss about the further question number 13. What is that? Listen me carefully. This is the question number 13. Is your in a solution. Question number 13. In a solution, just 16 gram CH3OH, 90 gram H2O, 90 gram H2O are present. Calculate mole fraction of, this is the mole fraction of each component. So this is the solution. First of all, we'll go with the calculation of the moles, and after that we'll go with the just mole fraction. So first of all, this is the CH3OH. So molar mass for the CH3OH, this is the 12. This is the just your 4, 16 and plus 16, that is the 32 unit. Similar to that question. Here is the CH3OH. Next is your 90 gram H2O. This is the H2O is your, you can say 12, 16 plus 2, 18 unit. Now the time to discuss about the calculation of moles and of CS3OH. This is your 32 unit. Amount given mass is your 16 divided by 2. This is 1 by 2 means 0.5 will be the moles of methanol. Now the time to discuss about the water. So N of H2O, given mass is your 90 divided by your 18, so it is your 5 moles. It is your 5 mole. Now the time to discuss about the mole fraction. So here is the X of CS3OH is equals to N of CS3OH. This is a 0.5 and this is the 0.5 plus 5. This is your 0.5 upon 5.5. This is your, you can say 5 upon 55 we can say. So approximately this will be 5 1 जा 5, 11 time 11 का divide किया आपने, then it will be 0. So this will be 5 upon 55, 5 divided by 55, 1 time, this is the 11 time. So 1 को divide करना 11 से, decimal carry किया 0, here will 0, 0.09 होगा आपके पास में, the right answer 0.09. So this is the 0.09 as a mole fraction of H2O. So this is the 5 upon, this is the 0.5 plus 5. This is your, you can say 5 upon 0.5, it's your 5 upon 5.5. For the removal of just decimal, it will be 50 divided by 55. 5 time 10, this is your 5 time 5 से divide किया तो 10 and this is the 11. On dividing, what will be? It will be decimal 0.99. So this is the about the mole fraction of just your H2O, and this is the value of your just regarding to your CS3OH, and total is your again 1. XA plus XB is equals to 1. Now the time to discuss about the 14 question. What is that? Listen me carefully. 14 question is your calculate. This is the calculate. This is the 14 question. Calculate mole fraction of ethylene glycol. Mole fraction of ethylene glycol. Question is your mole fraction of ethylene glycol for 20%, for 20% by mass. Solution. If we'll go with just ethylene, then the formula of ethylene is your CS2OH and CS2OH, ethylene glycol. It is also used as a antifreeze in radiators of automobile. Radiators means we can say it is used as a coolant in automobile, and the concentration, as we all know, we have explained, just 30% use करते हैं by just your mass or volume, 30%. Now the time to discuss about just the solution. So first of all, we'll go with the just mass. So regarding to your solution, here is the 20% by mass. What is the mean? Here is the 20 gram of ethylene glycol and rest is your 80 gram is your water. So we can say just mass of ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is your 20 gram, and mass of water, that is your 100 minus 20, it's your 80 gram. This was the regarding to this question is your calculate the mole fraction of the ethylene glycol for 20% by mass solution of the ethylene glycol. So it's not a typical job. Now molar mass of ethylene glycol, what is that? 12 to the 24. So this is the 24 for the carbon, 6 hydrogen, 30, and this is the 32 for the oxygen, so it will be 62. So this is the 62 unit. Just molar mass of water, we all know molar mass of water, that is your 18 unit. Now we can calculate the just mole fraction easily. So first of all we'll go with the mole of ethylene glycol. So this is the N of ethylene glycol. Total mass is your given, that is the 22 gram divided by 62, and if we'll go with the N of H2O, then that is your 80 divided by 18. If I'll divide this, then it will be your just, this is the 4 times 72, 4 times 72, just this is the moles of N of H2O, and rest, this is the 4.4, and if you will divide it, then what will be the value? I think its value is your 0.322. If we'll go with the just X of ethylene glycol, so the value is your moles of ethylene glycol 0.322 upon 0.322 plus 4.44. If you will add it, then the value will be your approximately, we can say, that is your 0.22. It's your 0.068. And if you will go with the just N of X of H2O, then this is your 4.44 upon 0.322 plus 4.44. If you will solve it, then the value should be approximately 0.932, and the total addition is your XA plus XB is equals to 1. So this was about the question number 14. Now the time to discuss about the 15th question. The 15th question is your, how will you get? How will you get? This is the question is your n by 10 solution of HCl. N by 10 solution of HCl. This is the most important. If we'll go with the just n by 10, then this is the gram equivalent, and this is the volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter regarding to your normality. So if we'll go with the gram equivalent, so gram equivalent is your simple with the just amount of HCl is your First of all, you will go with the molar mass of HCl. So this is the 1 plus 35.5. This is your 36.5 ग्राम. आप इसको मोलर मास को ग्राम में चेंज कर दें. सो 36 ग्राम को आपने डिजोल्व किया है 36.5 ग्राम को, और मोलर मास भी 36.5 ग्राम है. सो द ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट इज योर 1. सो वैल्यू ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट इज इक्वल टू 1, एंड 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट is equals to, we can say 36.5 gram. 36.5 gram. So you can say by dissolving 36.5 gram HCl in water and making its volume 10 liter, we can get n by 10 means desi normal solution of HCl. We can write it as follows. We are taking just 36.5 gram in 10 liter, so 3.65 gram per liter. So what we can say that by dissolving 3.65 gram HCl in water and making its volume 1 liter, we can get n by 10 solution of the just HCl. This was about the 15th question. So we will meet in the next video with just another video for the numericals also. After then we'll go with the just solubility of the just different of the substance of this in the liquid, as the solubility of solid in liquid and solubility of gas in liquid. तब तक के लिए शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. यही अपना सब्सक्रिप्शन शेयरिंग करते रहिए ताकि वो बच्चे भी जुड़ सके जो भी पहुंच से दूर है. मैंने आपसे बार बार यही रिक्वेस्ट की है, इफ देयर इज एनी रिक्वायरमेंट इन द मैटर में और कुछ आपको अपडेट चाहिए तो आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग कमेंट बॉक्स में प्लस व्हाट्सएप नंबर के थ्रू आप मुझे अपनी प्रॉब्लम को शेयर कर सकते हैं. किसी भी टॉपिक, किसी भी क्वेश्चन के रिगार्डिंग. इसी विश्वास के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मुलाकात होगी. धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया.